here we come to the elevator at Hotchkiss Hall, I think. Oh, look at this call station one. The up button is circle line, down button's Innovation Universal. We're gonna head down. There's your fire cabinet. I wonder what brand this is. Let's watch it open up. If it ever gets here. There we go. Ooh, dual bells. Huh, look at that. That's an interesting lantern. There's one over here. Armor. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Let's take a look at the COP. That is a lot of key switches. Let's go to cab view. Holy shit, I'm hot in this thing. Start off by going to B. Indicator's burnt out. Epic motor. Oh man, is it completely burnt out? I guess so. Oh, this side. Let's get a cab view, why don't we? Actually, let's take a look at the coast. It's got the same hatch. I mean, at least the arrows work. Let's just get that lantern one more time. That's pretty cool. As you can see, it's got the safety edge. And we will watch it close up.